Yes! This is how to get 1,000 followers on Instagram. Ever dreamed of becoming an Instagram influencer but feel stuck at 100 followers? You're not alone. Imagine transforming your Instagram profile into a magnet for thousands of followers, effortlessly drawing in engagement and opportunities. Frustration ends here. Get ready to uncover the ultimate hashtag strategy that will skyrocket your follower count to 1,000 and beyond. Why hashtags exist and their magic. Hashtags are like the secret sauce of Instagram. They categorize your content, making it discoverable to users interested in specific topics. When you use hashtags correctly, you tap into a vast audience that's already searching for content like yours. Think of hashtags as bridges connecting you to potential followers who are just waiting to discover your awesomeness. The money-making potential of hashtags. Once you hit that golden 1,000 followers mark, your Instagram account becomes a platform for monetization. Brands start noticing you, offering sponsorship deals, and you can even start selling your products or services. The more followers you have, the more money-making opportunities you can unlock. With a solid strategy, those followers can translate into real cash. The strategy: how to use hashtags to gain followers. Step 1. Research your hashtags. Start by researching hashtags relevant to your niche. Use tools like Hashtagify or Instagram's own search function to find popular and trending hashtags. Aim for a mix of popular, moderately popular, and niche-specific hashtags. This balanced mix ensures your content reaches a wide audience while still targeting specific interests. Example: if you're a fitness enthusiast, your hashtags might include fitness motivation, popular, workout Wednesday, moderate, and HIIT workout, niche. Step 2. Create a hashtag list. Organize your hashtags into groups of 30, the maximum Instagram allows per post. You'll need different sets for different types of content. Keep your lists fresh by updating them regularly with new trending hashtags. Example: create separate lists for workout posts, meal prep photos, and motivational quotes. This approach ensures your content remains relevant and engaging, targeting various interests within your niche. Step 3. Use hashtags in stories and posts. Don't just limit hashtags to your posts. Use them in your Instagram stories as well. Stories with hashtags can reach a wider audience because they appear in hashtag searches. This is an excellent way to increase visibility and attract more followers. Example: if you're sharing a story about your morning run, use hashtags like morning run, fitness journey, and run life. Did you know that posts with at least one hashtag average 12.6% more engagement than those without? That's the power of the hashtag. Maintaining momentum. After 1,000 followers, engage with your audience. Once you've hit 1,000 followers, keep them engaged by responding to comments and DMs. Show your followers that you value their interaction and appreciate their support. Engaged followers are more likely to share your content, increasing your reach even further. Collaborate with other influencers. Leverage your growing follower base by collaborating with other influencers in your niche. This exposes your profile to their followers and can significantly boost your own follower count. Look for influencers with a similar or slightly larger following for mutually beneficial partnerships. Host giveaways and contests. Engage your audience with exciting giveaways and contests. Encourage followers to tag friends, use specific hashtags, and follow your account to participate. This not only increases engagement, but also attracts new followers. Example: tag 3 friends and use Fitness With Me to enter our giveaway and win a free fitness consultation. Analyze and adjust your strategy. Regularly review your hashtag performance using Instagram Insights. Identify which hashtags bring the most engagement and adjust your strategy accordingly. This ensures that you're always using the most effective hashtags for maximum reach. How to monetize your Instagram account. Hitting 1,000 followers is just the beginning. Here's how to start making money from your Instagram account. Sponsored posts. Brands are always looking for influencers to promote their products. With 1,000 followers, you can start reaching out to brands that align with your niche. Create a media kit highlighting your engagement rates and demographics. Then pitch your services. Example: if you're a fitness influencer, reach out to sportswear brands or health supplement companies. Show them how your audience aligns with their target market. Affiliate marketing. Join affiliate programs related to your niche. Share products you genuinely love and use, and include your affiliate link in your posts and stories. You'll earn a commission for every sale made through your link. Example: if you often post about healthy recipes, join an affiliate program for kitchen gadgets or health food brands. Mention how these products make your life easier and healthier. Sell your own products or services. Use your Instagram platform to promote your own products or services. This could be anything from digital products like ebooks and courses to physical products or one-on-one coaching sessions. Example: A fitness influencer could sell personalized workout plans or branded merchandise. Highlight success stories from clients who have benefited from your services. Shoutouts. Once you have a substantial following, you can offer shoutouts to smaller accounts for a fee. This helps them gain exposure while earning you extra income. IGTV ads. Instagram allows you to monetize your IGTV videos if you meet certain criteria. This is a great way to earn passive income from the content you already create. Become a brand ambassador. Long-term brand partnerships can be more lucrative than one-off sponsored posts. If a brand sees potential in you, they might offer a brand ambassadorship where you regularly promote their products in exchange for payment and free products. Consulting services. With your experience growing an Instagram following, you can offer consulting services to help others do the same. Share your insights and strategies with individuals or businesses looking to grow their social media presence. 1. Research your hashtags. Spend an hour each week identifying new trending hashtags. Use tools and check what your competitors are using. Make a list of hashtags that are relevant to your niche and mix popular, moderately popular, and niche-specific hashtags. 2. Create a hashtag list. Dedicate some time to organizing and updating your hashtag lists regularly. Use tools like Excel or Google Sheets to keep your lists organized. Create different lists for various types of content, ensuring each list is tailored to specific posts or stories. 3. Use hashtags in stories and posts. Consistently include relevant hashtags in both your stories and posts. Make it a habit to add hashtags to every post and story to increase visibility. Experiment with different combinations to see which hashtags bring the most engagement. 4. Engage with your audience. Spend 15 minutes a day responding to comments and DMs. Show genuine interest in your followers' content and build relationships. Engaged followers are more likely to support your growth and share your content with their network. 5. Collaborate with influencers. Reach out to at least one new influencer each month. Look for influencers with a similar or slightly larger following. Propose collaboration ideas that benefit both parties, such as joint giveaways or co-hosted live sessions. 6. Host giveaways and contests. Plan a giveaway or contest every quarter to keep your followers excited and engaged. Create clear rules and promote the giveaway across all your social media channels. Encourage participants to tag friends and share your content to increase visibility. 7. Analyze and adjust your strategy. Review your hashtag performance monthly and tweak your strategy based on the data. Use Instagram Insights to see which hashtags are driving the most engagement. Continuously refine your hashtag lists to stay relevant and effective. 8. Sponsored posts. Start by reaching out to 5 brands that align with your niche. Create a compelling pitch that highlights your audience demographics and engagement rates. Offer creative ideas for sponsored content that aligns with the brand's goals. 9. Affiliate marketing. Join at least one affiliate program related to your niche. Share authentic reviews and experiences with the products you promote. Include your affiliate links in your posts and stories and track your earnings to optimize your strategy. 10. Sell your own products or services. Create a product or service that your followers would find valuable. Develop a marketing plan to promote your offerings on Instagram. Use testimonials and success stories to build credibility and trust with your audience. 11. Shoutouts. Offer shoutouts to smaller accounts for a fee. Create a rate card outlining your pricing and services. Promote your shoutout offerings through your stories and highlight previous clients' success. 12. IGTV ads. Create engaging IGTV content and apply for monetization. Focus on high-quality, informative, and entertaining videos that resonate with your audience. Monitor your ad earnings and experiment with different content styles to maximize revenue. 13. Become a brand ambassador. Reach out to brands for potential ambassadorships. Highlight your long-term vision and how you can consistently promote their products. Build a strong relationship with the brand to secure ongoing partnerships. 14. Consulting services. Offer your expertise to individuals or businesses looking to grow their Instagram following. Create a consulting package with different service tiers. Promote your consulting services through your Instagram profile and website. If you liked how to get 1,000 followers on Instagram with hashtag strategy, subscribe and hit that like button for more financial advice. And check our channel to start making money today.